fact that you've got somebody who's clearly not all there. Yeah, it is true he's doing 4-5 sabhas. He reads out from a script. But this is not the Nitish Kumar that all of us know from 20 years ago. And yet his health is not attacked because there's a concern, which seems to be true, that this may actually generate sympathy. The Indian culture of not disrespecting someone who's now unwell and actually saying, एक बार और इतने साल किया एक मौका देके देखते हैं. Amitabh.
Yeah, see, essentially, he's been here for 20 years and he's done good work, significant good work. Correct? When people compare Lalu's era with Nitish Kumar's era, even
no, but good work is relative. Good work is relative to where Bihar began from as a base.
Correct.
When you compare Bihar at the moment with other states, it has the lowest per capita income even at this moment.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's always been there. So people make two comparisons. One, what other states have become and what Bihar was 20 years back. So when they compare with other states, of course, there is still a lot to be done. When they compare with Bihar of 2005, a lot has been achieved. See, again, what we are discussing is that he is now a senior citizen, comparatively. Correct. Also, the number of youth population is high, but the number of youth voting population is lower because 0 to 18 cannot vote. So 30 plus voters who have seen his work have sympathy for him, and the youth who have not seen his work perhaps or have not seen the earlier work and have no other base to compare may be looking for change, but their numbers are smaller. They're only 25% of the voting population. 30 plus is 75% of the voting population. This culture thing. And the RJD Congress are not attacking because I think somewhere in their mind, their only hope now is that Nitish is not made the CM by BJP and Nitish again comes back to Mahagathbandhan to become
Do you
CM.
think that's possible? We were with Pappu Yadav yesterday, Ajija, and he said that there's an open offer. Aap dekh lena, ye banayenge nahi CM. Nitish Kumar will come back with the RJD. Far from thinking of him as a liability, they're still trying to woo him and win him over to their side. It's the most fascinating business of political somersaults, which don't seem to have a negative rub on this guy.
Yeah, that's a good point, what you pointed out, that the fact that he's a Dalbadlu Chacha, as everyone calls him, is not seen as negative. The idea is कि Nitish रहेंगे तो बिहार का विकास होगा. That is associated with him, number one. Number two, the fact that we did not mention, when Nitish came, the first thing that he did, just like Yogi Adityanath in UP, the crime rate just fell down. So for women, that thing, that security, कि 6 बजे के बाद जब अंधेरा होता है, तो I can go out and nothing happens to me. That sort of, makes him, that's why he's big favorite for women. And the third I found out, which was very funny, a lot of people told me, भारत में, the typical thing is जब बेटा बाप को गाली देता है तो people start hating the बेटा कि भाई आपके लिए इतना किए. So Prashant Kishore, he's the one who's attacking Nitish left, right and center. So many of the people told me घर में रखते थे इसको नीतीश कुमार और अब ये जो है रोज गाली देता है उनको. ये कोई तमीज है बात करने का?
This would typically be a knockout blow in any other state. I mean, especially in a country like the United States where you're based at the moment, if this was to happen, it would not even lead to the candidate being allowed to stand. Here, it's actually creating sympathy for the incumbent chief minister.
Yeah, part of it is also, imagine a situation where BJP was in the opposition and not an ally of Nitish. It would have been a very different scenario. They would have talked about his health. They would have talked about his mental health. So I think there is a cultural difference, but there is also that BJP would have gone really against.
So why do you think RJD is not doing it?
RJD is not doing it, but another thing that that Nitish Kumar has done, he has created this very fine balance in this state. For instance, he has kept the BJP's communal politics at bay, and he has kept RJD's caste politics at bay. So in that sense, many people actually think that he's bringing that balance. So there is a sympathy for him on many counts. One of this being, the balance that he's created, the law and order thing that they have. And RJD is probably not very well equipped. They are not very well, they haven't planned this very well. They have, their response, BJP's response to this 10,000 scheme might have been another Revdi. Like, PM Modi has said, "Main Revdi nahi," he was against Revdis for a very long time. This 10,000 scheme, it looks like a Revdi, it tastes like a Revdi, it is presented as a Revdi, and it is also accepted as a Revdi. But no, there's a competitive welfareism that we see. So it's kind of very sad that people of Bihar look at politics now as what are they going to get from various political parties. Earlier, Nitish had started this conversation, which was about, he'll create roads and bring electricity and education. But now seems to be the focus in terms of what are you going to get personally.